Today I will show you two easy ways to install multiple apps at once on your Mac without using any third-party software. With these methods, you can save a lot of time by installing your favorite apps all at once instead of one by one. In the first method, we use a simple single terminal command, and in the second method, we utilize the App Store graphical interface. Let's start with method number 1. Open your terminal app and type the following command: brew install --cask. Then add a space and type the names of your favorite apps such as VLC, Firefox, Zoom, Google Chrome, etc. Make sure to leave a space between each app name. Hit enter and boom! Every app start installing automatically. No clicking, no hassle. This works like magic. But wait, this command only works if you have Homebrew installed on your Mac. To install Homebrew, just go to their official website, then copy the script and paste it into terminal. Press enter and Homebrew will install automatically. Let's discuss the second method using the App Store. Open the App Store and search for the apps you want to install. For example, if you are looking to install productivity apps like Word, Excel, Pages, and Keynote, simply search for each app individually. Then just click Get on each app one by one, and they will start installing automatically. And that's it. So friends, these are the two simple and free methods to install multiple apps at once on your Mac.